County leaders are issuing a warning tonight. A man working at an area restaurant and an assisted living facility tested positive for hepatitis A. News 4's Rachel Monjovi spoke with a doctor tonight. Rachel?
Nalina, doctors say if you get hepatitis A, your body will clear the virus on its own. In most cases, the liver heals within 6 months. Although only one person has tested positive for the virus at both facilities, hundreds more could be at risk.
There is a risk of exposure. And while the risk is very low, it is unfortunately a risk that still exists.
A food prep worker working at 2 facilities in Erie County may have exposed people to hepatitis A.
So hepatitis A actually is a viral infection, normally affecting the liver, most commonly transmitted through like the fecal-oral route, which means the virus is shed in the stool of people.
The prep worker was handling food at both the Brookdale Senior Living Facility in Williamsville and popular Lancaster restaurant Alley Oops. County leaders are calling this a public health warning, which could affect more than 380 people. Customers who ate food at Alley Oops from January 27th to the 30th may be at risk, and anyone who ate food at Brookdale from January 16th to the 31st may have also been exposed.
There is no further risk of hepatitis A transmission from eating at either of those 2 facilities.
County leaders say this isn't the first hepatitis A scare. In 2015, a server at Casa de Pizza may have exposed more than 1,000 to the liver infection. County leaders say Alley Oops just passed a December health inspection with flying colors.
This is not an issue with the restaurant. We want people not to think that this is something as a result of the restaurant.
Doctors say there's no specific treatment for the virus, but warn the symptoms could mimic the flu.
Most common symptoms people exhibit are usually like nausea, vomiting, they have some abdominal pain, just they don't want to eat. We call it anorexia, but they just don't have an appetite and stuff like that.
In a statement, Alley Oops management said they are concerned about their coworker and their patrons. They hope and expect no one else will contract the disease. Brookdale associates say they are taking safety very seriously. They told us the worker is still employed but is out on sick leave. A clinic will be held tomorrow for those who may have been exposed. Details on our website, WIVB.com. Reporting live, Rachel Monjovi, News 4 at 10.